Have you ever wondered how to get rich? Have you dreamed of a life full of prosperity and financial freedom? In this exciting adventure to wealth, we'll guide you through a path filled with strategies, tips, and fundamental principles to help you achieve your most ambitious financial goals. Get ready to discover the secrets behind financial success. From bold dreams to concrete actions, we'll reveal the key steps that will get you on the path to wealth. Throughout this video, you will be immersed in a symphony of passion, perseverance, and determination. You will discover the importance of working on what you are passionate about, surrounding yourself with the right people, and maintaining a positive and persistent mindset. You'll also learn how to manage your finances wisely, take calculated risks, and seize the opportunities that come your way. No matter where you are on your path to wealth, this video will give you the tools and knowledge to take your financial life to the next level. Each step you take will bring you closer to your dreams and allow you to create the life you've always wanted. So get ready to transform your perspective and discover the true potential that is in you. Let's start this exciting journey together. Let's go with step number 1. The first step to becoming rich is to dream big. Visualizing your most ambitious goals and dreams allows you to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve financially. Setting bold goals will motivate you to push yourself and take the actions necessary to achieve them. Step 2. Work on what you are passionate about. Passion is a key factor in achieving financial success. When you work on something you are passionate about, you are willing to put more time and effort into it, which increases your chances of success. In addition, the passion for what you do will help you stay motivated in the long term and allow you to face challenges with determination. Step 3. Do not stop studying and learning. Continuous learning is essential to getting rich. You should never stop acquiring new knowledge and developing relevant skills in your field. Keeping up to date with the latest trends and technologies will allow you to find opportunities and adapt to an ever-changing business environment. Step number 4. Establish your priorities and dedicate yourself to them. Effective time management and the ability to set priorities are essential to achieving wealth. Identify your most important financial goals and focus your energies and resources on them. Avoid dispersing yourself in activities that do not directly contribute to your goals and focus on those that have the potential to generate greater benefits. Step 5. Be disciplined. Discipline is crucial to staying on the path to wealth. This involves establishing and sticking to routines, following through on the commitments you've set for yourself, and avoiding distractions that can undermine your progress. Discipline allows you to stay focused and overcome obstacles that may arise on the path to your financial goals. Step 6. Surround yourself with the right people. The environment you find yourself in can influence your ability to get rich. Seek to surround yourself with people who are positive, ambitious, and successful in their own financial lives. By interacting with successful individuals, you can learn from their experiences, receive valuable advice, and make connections that help advance your own path to wealth. Step 7. Take action. Last but not least, it is essential to take action. No amount of planning and knowledge will lead you to wealth if you don't take concrete action. Don't be afraid to take the first step. Make mistakes and learn from them. Taking constant action will allow you to move towards your goals and overcome obstacles that you may encounter along the way. Remember that these steps are only a guide and that the path to wealth can be different for each person. However, by following these fundamental principles, you will be laying the foundation to increase your chances of financial success. Step 8. Manage your finances intelligently. Smart management of your finances is essential to achieving wealth. This involves setting a clear budget, monitoring your expenses, and making sure your income exceeds your expenses. Also, it is important to invest your financial resources wisely to make them grow. Learn about different investment options, diversify your assets, and seek professional advice if necessary. Smart management of your finances will allow you to maximize your income and build a solid foundation for your long-term wealth. Step 9. Seize opportunities and take calculated risks. Wealth often comes with the ability to recognize and take advantage of opportunities. Keep an eye on trends and changes in the market, identify promising market niches, be proactive to take advantage of opportunities that arise. However, keep in mind that financial success also involves taking calculated risks. Carefully weigh the risks and rewards, conduct thorough research, and trust your judgment to make informed decisions. Sometimes stepping out of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks can open doors to wealth for you. Step 10. Maintain a positive and persistent mindset. Mindset is key on the road to wealth. Maintain a positive and optimistic mindset, believing in your ability to achieve your financial goals. Learn to overcome the obstacles and failures that you may encounter along the way, since they are part of the process. Cultivate persistence and resilience, don't give up easily, and use setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. A positive and persistent mindset will help you stay focused, overcome challenges, and achieve the wealth you desire. In conclusion, the path to wealth is not an unattainable mystery, but rather a combination of bold dreams, relentless passion, constant learning, and determined action. By following these 10 essential steps, you can open the doors to a life of prosperity and financial freedom. Remember, the power to get rich is in your hands. Start today to build the future you've always dreamed of.